Hello, Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Kumusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Tingnan natin ang mga messages ng Leo. For today, we have wonders. Ayan, wondrous events ang maaaring mangyari dito sa buhay ninyo at this time. Napakaganda nito kasi sitwasyon nito na talagang ikakatuwa ninyo, no? This could be miraculous moments din na maaaring mangyari. This could be answered prayers. This could be anything na talaga namang ikakatuwa ninyo, ipagpapasalamat ninyo. You're going to be very grateful about whatever this is, no? So, good luck to that, Leo. What else? We have inner peace. This is beautiful. Higit ano pa man, ano, yung inner peace kapag yan ang naramdaman ninyo, you are going to be feeling so blessed. Diba? Kasi ibig sabihin, pag may inner peace kayo, most likely, wala kayong problema, stress-free kayo, kung ano man siguro yung gusto ninyo, or kung ano man ang kailangan ninyo, ay maaaring nandyan na. Yung ganun ba? Kaya you are feeling peaceful. Diba? So, maaaring ganun ang sitwasyon dito ng iba sa inyo. Or, maaaring this is what you are seeking right now. Maaaring ito yung hinahanap ninyo. Maaaring ito yung gusto ninyong mangyari sa ngayon, Leo. So, posible din yan, ano? For some of you. So, let's see what else. We have voyage. Ayan. So, there is travel for some of you dito, Leo. And that travel could be over water. So, maaaring international travel yan. It could be also domestic travel. Maaaring yung biyahe ninyo dito by boat, no? Maaaring ganon. Or, maaaring iba din sa inyo, trabaho ninyo. No? Trabaho ninyo to, kaya nagbabiyahe kayo over water because maybe you are a seafarer, no? Maaaring ganon. So, what else for Leo? We have number 8, and emotional withdrawal. Meron kayo ditong iiwanan, isasarang pinto sa buhay ninyo, and you are heading towards something new or a different direction. Wherein, doon ninyo mahahanap yung peace. No? Ito, doon ninyo mahahanap yung peace, doon ninyo mahahanap yung tranquility, serenity, yung ganon. So, whatever this is, no? Parang, kung ano man ang sitwasyon dito, could be trabaho, could be relationship, could be, ano pa ba, career, you know, wherever this is, no, na sitwasyon dito, parang feeling ninyo, wala na, there's nothing there for you, no? Kaya, iiwanan nyo na ang sitwasyon na yan. You're going to decide to move on with your life dahil wala na to. There's nothing there for you anymore. Kaya, even ano na, medyo may katagalan na siguro dito na nandyan pa kayo physically, let's say for example, relationship. Maaaring nandyan pa kayo sa relationship na yan, pero yung pakiramdam ninyo wala na. Yung love ninyo wala na. Yung affection ninyo sa tao wala na. Yung parang ganon. Yung parang naghihintay na lang siguro kayo ng timing. 'Di ba? And that timing could be now. No? Maaring ito na yung hinihintay ninyong pagkakataon para magpaalam na kayo sa taong yan, sa person ninyo, or kung anumang klaseng relationship ang meron kayo with that person. Maaring now is the time na talagang aalis na kayo. Wala na. There's nothing there for you anymore. You're not going to stay there anymore. Pero, kung ano man ang sitwasyon na to, not necessarily na talagang nagsimula kayo dito na yung parang wala na talagang gana kayo, wala na kayong hindi na kayo natuwa dito, no? Because in the past, kung ano man ito, nagsimula kayo dito sa sitwasyon na to na masaya, 'di ba? Masaya kayo dito, naging masaya din kayo dito, naging fulfilled, naging contented kayo. But normal lang na nagbabago ang lahat. Kasi depende lang din naman yan sa taong kasama ninyo or sa sitwasyon, diba? Nagbabago ang lahat. Nagbabago tayo, nagbabago mga gusto natin, nagbabago yung isip natin, nagbabago din yung sitwasyon natin. Kaya, maaaring may ganong mga ganap ngayon. Kaya, ano na kayo, mag-withdraw na kayo dito because the time has come na hindi na kayo dito masaya. Diba? Wala na. There's nothing there para mapakinabangan nyo pa or wala na din kayong mai-offer sa sitwasyon na to. That's why you're going to decide to leave. Diba? So, what else? We have 8. Wow, we have double 8. So, this is synchronicity right here. Leo, this is double 8. That is prosperity, abundance, and infinite abundance to, no? Ibig sabihin yan. Pero, I still suggest to look up for the meaning of number 88 for more guidance dahil mas marami kayong mababasa dyan, no? Na inspiration, insights, yung ganon, guidance. So, dito naman, there is positive movement forward. Ito talaga yung gagawin ninyo, no? You're going to withdraw from whatever the situation is and you are moving towards positive change. Kung ano man ang gagawin ninyo dito, kung saan kayo patungo, that is where you're going to get your peace. That is where you're going to feel joy, happiness, bagong buhay, new life, diba? Ito na yun, kung saan kayo papunta. You are heading towards where you need to be at this time. This is meant to be, Leo, kung saan man kayo patungo dito. So, most likely, may travel din dito na ano talaga, meron tayong voyage. So, maybe this voyage is related to this scenario dito. Maaaring kailangan nyo talaga na umalis dito physically from where you are now. Maaaring magta-travel talaga kayo, change of residence, change of job, no, change career, at maaaring nakahanap kayo ng mga ganong sitwasyon sa ibang lugar, no? So good luck to that, Leo. What else? We have 16 yan, disruption. This is change. This is sudden change. So, most likely, related talaga ito dito sa dalawang ito, no? Na sitwasyon na bigla na lang may pangyayari dito na magbabago ng inyong sitwasyon. There is going to be a sudden change going to happen dito, Leo. Okay? So, this could be related to this, to relationship, to trabaho, to career, to family situation. It could be in any area of life. Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. But definitely, kung saan man kayo dadalhin ng event na to, you will be in alignment with your destiny. Kaya, there is contentment dito. There is happiness. There is joy. Diba? Kasi ganun tayo. Kapag when we start living our purpose, or if we are in alignment with our destiny or purpose, talagang you will be contented. You will be feeling contented. You will be feeling joyful and happy. Alright? So, tingnan natin kung ano pa ang ganap dito for Leo. So, what else? We have judgment energy. Yan. This is an important decision dito. This is important judgment call na haharapin ni Leo dito. And that could be related to this decision to withdraw from whatever that is, no, na sitwasyon. So, maaaring ito yung importanteng desisyon ninyo na kailangan gawin sa ngayon kasi maaaring matagal na kayong naghihintay ng tamang pagkakataon para makaalis kayo sa sitwasyon na yan, pero maaaring ngayon ninyo yan gagawin, maaaring ngayon ninyo pagdedesisyonan yan kung ano na nga ba. Am I going to do this or not? I'm going to move forward or not, diba? So, maaaring ganyan ang sitwasyon sa ngayon. But you are being guided here to make that decision, Leo. Mabigat, pero kailangan, diba? It has to happen. So, we have Four of Wands. This is a celebratory energy. So, may tagumpay talaga kayo ditong makukuha. You are going to claim your success dito in some areas. Maaring ito yon, yung pag-alis ninyo, yung pag-move forward ninyo, yung pagbabagong ito na i-create ninyo sa buhay ninyo. That could be your victory sa ngayon. Kasi, maaring hirap na kayo sa sitwasyon na yan. Maaring matagal na kayong nagtiis dyan. Kaya ngayon na magde-decision kayo to move forward with your life. Umalis na kayo sa sitwasyon na yan. Maaring that is what you are going to celebrate sa ngayon, and that is what you are going to be grateful sa ngayon, ano? And there could be, for some of you, Leo, there could be travel talaga dito. Maaaring may kasalan din dito for some of you. Maaaring may engagement party, or maaaring meron dito kayong achievement or accomplishments na kailangan ninyong i-celebrate, no? So, maaaring ganun ang ganap dyan. What else? Page of Wands, this is good news. This is good news. It could be related to trabaho, to opportunities na magbibigay sa inyo ng pagkakataon para makapagsimulang muli ng kung ano man, trabaho, negosyo, mga ganon, career. Pero, this is something na related naman sa inyong creativity. So, most likely, maiiwanan kayong trabaho dito or career, and you are going to start something new dito, no, somewhere else, and you're going to be very passionate about, and you are going to be excited about, no? So good luck, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.